To take a screenshot with Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open our settings. Next step is to scroll all the way down, and here we can go for accessibility and convenience. Then go for the screenshot options, and that way you can see all of the methods that are originally available for this phone. If you activate them all, first you'll be able to perform a 3 fingers swipe down from top of the screen to capture a screenshot. Next thing is 3 finger touch and hold. That way you can take a partial screenshot, which means you can select the specific amount of screen to save that screenshot as. Then we have power and volume down button. You can press on the power button and volume down button together at the same time, and that way it will capture a screenshot as well. Just like that. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.